Hi everyone, I'm Francesca from Journal Joy. Today I share with you how to create a folder with some scraps. You can use it like an insert, like an email, or for example as a topper for your journal. If this one is the first video that you saw in this series, in the Journal Joy Challenge, I advise you to take a look at the previous video, because in that I show you 6 steps to be amazing in creating with scraps. I'm using scraps from the same color palette, and I put them in a flat bag so they stay straight and don't get much. Then I mix without looking, and then I throw everything on the table. This is a little step to trick your mind. This is a starting point only needed in order to break the blank page. As you can see, I am following the 6 steps that I already explained to you in the previous video, so I don't want to repeat myself, so just enjoy my speeded up version. Take always in mind that my videos are speeded up. Maybe you see 5 minutes, but in reality actually they are hours. Because maybe I stop myself and then pass 2 or 3 days and then I coming back. So take that in mind. This is a video speeded up. Here I'm adding also some cheesecloth, some lace. It's optional. And when you are satisfied of your collage, your masterboard, you can glue or use a stapler to hold everything in place. At this point, you can use a coffee stain page, fold in half, and then cut it, fold in half again, and cut again. Add this piece of paper on the back of your masterboard. A back like this adds some stability on your collage, and then you will have some space for writing. Now cut with scissors, following the background, and you will have 3 pieces like that. If you want, you can cut the excess. Now I'm adding some other pieces on my collage, because in this way I will add some cohesive look on every piece. At this point, don't think too much. Don't think too much. You have to go with the flow. When you are concentrated on the process, you don't think at nothing at all. So you don't think your problems, you don't think your collage will be a mess, something like that. You are in the now, and that's the important thing. When you are in the now, you are really enjoying the process, and you are finally relaxing. In this case, collage, it's very similar with a mindfulness practice. And that's why I love it so much. As you can see, it's all about layering, layering, and layering. So now I'm adding some stamps just to give an extra plus. As you can see, the edges of my pieces are very straight, so I want to tear them up with scissors to give a cohesive, elegant, grungy uh, mood on my pieces. Obviously, this is my task, so feel free to take what you like and discard the rest. Now I'm going to use coffee on the edges to give a cohesive vintage look to my pieces. If you want, you can use distress ink. But I think that for a grungy look, it's very more effective using coffee. And to give a cohesive look, I am using coffee more where the lines met, where the pieces met. You can let it dry or use a heat gun. When it's dry, you can add more coffee to give an extra vintage look. Now it's time to put everything together, and I will use a stapler and some fabric hinges. Here I'm using, I think, sari fabric sari, from a old bundle that I purchased on Etsy. And then I'm using some fabric scraps to create a fabric flip. Now I want to add some new elements to embellish my fabric flip and my front cover. I have also a video tutorial about this ephemera holder. If you are interested, I will link down below the video. This is coffee stain fabric, I think it's cotton, and I will use it as an hinge to connect the two pieces. This thing of fabric hinges is mostly inspired by Nazi from Emmett Bloom. I want to cover a little bit the front because there is a lot going on there, and I want to lighten this area. And on the back I will do the same thing, but on the other side with a different direction. Finally, you can put a clip to hold everything together. If you are interested in the tutorial of this clip, it's a part of another tutorial. I will link that below. You can add this folder in your journal and fill it with photos, with your writing about your favorite songs, your favorite books, your favorite quotes, everything you like. Now it's your turn. Just use some scraps, create something, and if you want to share, use the hashtag JanJournalJoyChallenge so we can find each other. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!